Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up the TP-Link Deco X50 PoE AX3000 Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system step by step. Step 1. Unbox the Deco system. Open the box and check all items including Deco units, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. Step 2. Connect main Deco to modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect one Deco unit to your modem or router. This is the most important connection because it links your Deco system to the internet. Make sure the cable is firmly plugged in before moving to the app setup. Step 3. Power on the device. Plug in the Deco unit and wait for the LED light to blink blue. Step 4. Install the Deco app. Download the TP-Link Deco app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 5. Open the app and sign in. Launch the app and log in with your TP-Link ID or create a new account. Step 6. Select your Deco model. Choose Deco X50 PoE in the app and follow the setup instructions. Step 7. Create Wi-Fi network. Set your Wi-Fi name and password inside the app. Step 8. Add extra Deco units. Place additional Deco units in other rooms and add them through the app. Step 9. Wait for connection confirmation. Allow the app to finish connecting all Deco units. Step 10. Test your internet. Check your internet connection and enjoy your mesh Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.